Whoa, friends! There are a lot of new developments on the fourth stimulus relief package for Americans. Senator Bernie Sanders has stated that many lawmakers only want to pass a large social spending bill that would help all Americans and not just a small targeted group of people. Friends, this is wonderful news for many of us. Remember, friends, that I'm here every single day. I am really committed to being your daily advocate for more stimulus and financial assistance. I want to support everyone in this community, including all seniors, Social Security, SSI, SSDI, RRB, and VA beneficiaries. So please make sure that you share this video on social media and with your friends if they need more honest stimulus news. Also, stay tuned until the end of this video to learn how to enter this coming Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway.
Good morning. Chuck Schumer and the Democrats are desperate to break the Senate rules and try to engage in a corrupt power grab. This bill that they're pushing, the Corrupt Politicians Act, would undermine democracy across the country. It takes laws adopted by democratically elected legislatures and subjects them to the arbitrary veto of politically radical, unelected bureaucrats at the Department of Justice. President Biden has nominated hard-left ideologues to the Department of Justice, including two of the leading advocates of abolishing the police in the country. And what Chuck Schumer and the Democrats are proposing is putting those ideologues in charge of election laws across this country. What Schumer and the Democrats are trying to do is strike down every single voter ID law in the country, even though 80% of Americans support them, even though a large majority of African American voters support voter ID laws. Democrats have decided that voter fraud benefits them politically, and they're willing to go to any length to tear down the reasonable common sense protections that protect the integrity of our elections. They're willing to go so far as breaking the rules of the Senate to end the filibuster. Now, if you want to know the consequences of that, you may perhaps be skeptical of Republicans. If you're not a Republican, you may be from a different political view. So I want to point you to someone who's not a Republican, assessing the consequences of what Chuck Schumer is proposing right now.
Vermont Senator Bernie Sanders has just announced that President Biden cannot count on him to support almost any compromise, social spending, and climate package that the Senate puts together. Senator Bernie Sanders has emphasized that he must review the details of a proposal before deciding if he can vote for it. Many know that Senator Sanders supports sending out more financial relief to all Americans. So when asked by NBC News if President Biden can count on his vote with almost any compromise, Senator Sanders stated, "Absolutely not. You're going to have to look at what the so-called compromise is. If it's strong, if it protects the needs of working people, if it deals with climate, I am there. But we have to look at the details of any proposal." So friends, do you think that our lawmakers should compromise on relief provisions to finally reach a deal with other lawmakers like Senator Joe Manchin and Kyrsten Sinema? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. The Democrats' social spending and climate package remains currently in the Senate because of opposition from Republicans and Joe Manchin and Kyrsten Sinema. They are the two centrist Democrats who were unable to get on board with the package, despite weeks and weeks of negotiations between the White House and Capitol Hill. But the great news, friends, is that Democrats are now considering passing the legislation in sections that have support in the upper chamber. However, Senator Sanders' comments further muddy the water for Biden's chances of passing one of his bills, putting the senator's support of a final compromise bill in question. Senator Kyrsten Sinema is already facing a series of rebukes from elected Democrats, progressive organizations, and members of her own state party. This is after her refusal last week to support an exception to the filibuster to advance a major bill. So all of this criticism could force Senator Sinema to finally support President Biden's Build Back Better bill. As our country continues to be impacted by this crisis, many members of Congress are mulling a fresh round of economic relief for businesses. It has been reported that lawmakers from both Democrats and Republicans are very interested in proposing to pump billions of dollars into the pockets of Americans. This also includes sending out more relief to restaurants and other small businesses. Democratic Senator Cardin said that lawmakers are looking at how much is needed for the restaurant fund because earlier last year, the White House opened the Restaurant Revitalization Fund for applications with nearly $29 billion from the American Rescue Plan up for grabs. They received 186,000 applications in the first 2 days alone. So it's very clear that more relief needs to be sent out to the American people as soon as possible. A White House official told Insider that the Biden administration is continuing to closely track the new surge in this crisis. And if things continue to get worse, lawmakers are thinking about making another push for a new stimulus relief plan. Any new legislation would need at least 10 GOP senators to back the bill, so it clears the Senate and reaches President Biden's desk. It could be an uphill struggle for Democrats to get the support from Senate Republicans weary of additional government spending. Republican Senator Kevin Cramer of North Dakota told Insider that he's open to a targeted relief package for restaurants, saying it's been the hardest hit sector and one of the last to recover. For any package to get those 10 necessary Republican votes, it would have to focus on providing aid to businesses. Senator Cramer stated, for any package to get those 10 necessary Republican votes, it would have to focus on providing aid to businesses. Friends, the keyword for this video is mountain. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos. Also comment below the keyword from each video that you watch. And please also make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Well, friends, that is the end of this daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very, very much for everyone who is joining me today. And I greatly appreciate all of you. To say thank you, I'm giving away that $100 Walmart gift card every Friday. Also, can you please do me a favor and subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable and accurate stimulus news information. Thank you so much, friends, and have a very, very blessed week.